What is going on, my party people, on this Sunday lovely morning? As you hear the minor birds chirping in the background, this is a great day for football. We got the Lakers game 3 today. We had a dope battle between Sneaker Lady 88 and Luke Kane's Kicks. If you haven't, go check them out on the HON.HI page. Please do so. Luke Kane, like I said, I think he's close to 200. He's on IG and the Tube and the Sis. Sneaker Lady 88 is only on IG. And also go check out the fam PMKICKZ, 313 Retro Queen, and MCFLYKOF. It definitely was a dope battle. And yes, the new hashtag was born yesterday. Hashtag WAP 90s or WAP Air Max 90. That was very funny. Great time. The chat never disappoint. Now, as you can see in front of me, this shoe is a box. It's a dope box. I love presentation on the shoe when Jordan Brand starts to do outside of the box. In this particular silhouette, it's a love of the Haled silhouette. I don't like all the shoes, but certain ones are very dope. And like I said, it's an overseas release. As you can see, it's a red box, so that's probably a dead giveaway. And there y'all see, it has a puka. The puka is red, right? Puka hole. And you can see it's a PP personal pair, size 10, men, 11.5 women. Suggested retail price, $200. You have the QR code and all that stuff. You have white, child red, black, or just chili, whatever you want to call it, and all of that good stuff. This is the Jordan 7 Retro GC Great China. As you can see, it got stuff in Chinese, and I don't know what that is saying, but I love the presentation of the box. So for extra $10, I'll take it. Gimme. As you can see, you got gold right here. You got the undisturbed box. Shout out to the bros in the Honolulu Soul Circus, the Facebook group. Got it, legit pair. I got all the receipts on deck. Very dope paper. I don't like mini 7s. They okay because they didn't come with the air unit right for most of those. And yes, I do not like the Bordeaux 7s. I had them, I got rid of those. But you can see other stuff in the box. I don't think you got that green sticker ripper for more, but I don't see any suede on the shoe. Yeah, you heard it. I know people are like, what? You don't like the Bordeaux 7? Nope, had it, didn't like it, didn't care for it. Bam! This is a fire shoe. When I first saw it, it's just a dope shoe. The different stuff going on with the shoe just makes it really pop, and people gonna be tripping with this shoe. I mean, it just really pops out at you. Look at that. Just spin it around real quick. Look at that. Man, that's a fire shoe. Flames. Shoe on fire, just spinning it around. Woo! Doggy. Underneath, y'all already know 7s, they do all those different color patterns, right? You got the teal green, you got the yellow orange hits, you got the fire red or chili red, whatever you want to call it. You got the black. It's just a very dope shoe underneath the toe box. And as you can see on there, you got the dragon, into the dragon stuff type stuff, all on the toe box. Then you got your nylon right here for breathability on the air hole. Right here, you got your Chinese writing right on the tongue, and more of this nylon. Then as you can see, you got a little bit of this, look like suede or nubuck. And you got the skin, L skin, and different stuff like that on the shoe. You got some more of this here, and then you got the gold Jumpman right here. This shoe actually probably could have went for $225 easily, but 7s, like I said, they're not really highly respected, so I appreciate it, and they are nice and comfy. As you can see here, you got your peaks. I do like the Olympic 7 though. Those are very dope, and I had a Carmelo 7 for that pack. But when you get back on here, you can see you got even rope in Chinese on the back, and so you got some more of this etched in scale. You got your pull tab to get on your shoe. You got your little booty back here for ankle support. And inside you can see Jordan Air, which most of the time you always have in the Air Jordan 7. You got your QR code. Production date was 2/19/20 to 5/30/20. So it took them roughly about 3 months for that. And look at that. That is nice. Then you got a little wrinkle stankle right there. like a flat black, and then you got all your artistic art on this side. Look at that. Into the dragon. And for those of you over here who have Chinese New Year, you know what I'm talking about. They have the dragon that gives you the dancing dragon that gives you the good luck, and it's all of you feed the dragon, put the money in the mouth. That happens a lot over here. So Chinese New Year coming up pretty soon. As you can see right here, this kind of actually got like a 3D look. I don't know if you can see it now, but when it kind of look like it pops at you, but it's not really 3D. But the colors on here is dope. Some people don't like it. They say it's too busy, but I likes it. I likes it a lot. I like it when Jordan Brand kind of go outside of the box, because a lot of people kind of are traditionalists, right? Let's go in. Let's see what this shoe tree got on it. Why don't we? Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. As you can see, the laces, they don't need a lace swap because the laces got the gold hits on these joints. That's very, very dope. And on the shoe tree, you should look for a 10, 10 and a half. Like I see PP personal pair. And you can see there, got size 10 and all of that good stuff. Like I said, you got red. Man, this is a fire shoe. Fire, fire, fire. That's all I can say. Not fee, fi, fo, fun, but fire on these joints. I likes it a lot. So, like I said, just bagging out so you can get a real good look at these joints right here. Clean, clean, clean. Definitely will be clean once you step on the scene, right? Now, other than that, let's get to the litty lit meter. So the price, paid what I got for these two. The bro hooked me up for $220 on these joints. So $220, and so he got them on from the sneakers app on the release day. So hey, I appreciate you, my guy. I appreciate you. So that's only what, like $20 though. Probably got a little discount, just trying to get their money back. I know, some people dumping shoes, still in the pandemic, and I understand. So you just got to be patient out here in these copying streets. Now, on the little lit meter for this shoe, the little lit meter, out of 5, I'm gonna get this jump out of 4.8 because this is fire. I don't care what nobody say. We always say rock and cop what you like. Don't worry about it. Buy what you buy. Even for these sneaker battles, if you don't have it, you don't have it. Don't just go out and buy no sneakers just for the show. It's still all in fun at the end of the day. So this joint, yeah, I'm gonna give it about a 4.8. I'm gonna give it about a 4.8, not a 4.85 or anything, omit anything I said. I'm gonna give it a 4.8. It's a 7 still, so 7 still not highly respected, but I like the presentation. I think the price point is pretty good on it, but it's still a 7. It's not one of my favorite silhouette, so maybe I'm being not grading this effectively or correctly, but 4.8, it is what it is. And you can leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about this shoe. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Is a reach back for you? So enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Thank you time for watching my video. Just watch it in full, please. Leave like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Peace.